going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I hope everyone's doing well. Yes, I have a mustache. I was shaving yesterday, messed up, little bald spot, so I had to shave it all off, but I'm rocking this now. A little early for mustache March, but it is what it is. It's been a long while since we were on the good old YouTubes. I and my dad and I have been traveling for the past 2 weeks. We were in Scottsdale, Arizona for Barrett Jackson. A lot of fun. I posted a little bit on my my Instagram, just some cool stuff we were seeing, a couple Jeeps, things like that. I'm ready to be back working on the Jeep. I'm happy to be back here. We have a lot to do. I'm having withdrawals from camping and wheeling, so we're grinding to get on that train and get going and hit the outdoors. I'm looking at the hardtop right now. It's 80% there. We did some sanding yesterday. I'll throw in a small clip right here. There's also no Jeep here. The Jeep is at Justice Off-Road. Danny at Justice Off-Road is taking good care of it. It is getting new gears put in. It's getting 488s. I went back and forth and I talked to their guys over there at Justice Off-Road about 513s, 488s, and ultimately 48s are what we went with, and I'm happy with the decision. Plus, I do plan on LS swapping this down the road, so the 488s will be a better combination with the LS. Also, two more things before we get started. You guys saw me putting on a pair of boots in the intro, and they were sent to me by Brunt Workwear. This isn't a sponsorship, but they reached out to me on Instagram, wanted to send me a pair of boots, and I was super excited to say yes. Checked out their website, picked out what I wanted. I'm wearing the Marins, I believe is how you pronounce it, in the classic style. I could not wait to get them. They told me that every time they've launched or got them back in stock, they've sold out within minutes. So I waited a little while for these, but as soon as I got them, I threw them on. They are very, very comfortable. I've been wearing them for the little bit of work we've been doing on the hardtop and taking the Jeep to the shop, and they have been great. I cannot wait to really break them in, and I might just have to throw some Griot's leather care spray on them. But I'm very happy. I needed a new pair of boots, so shout out to Brunt Workwear. I'll put their link in the description. You guys definitely need to go check out what they have to offer. Hope you guys enjoyed that little modeling session I gave you guys while I was talking about the boots. But last thing, in the last video, or since we've been working on the hardtop, a couple people, but one person in particular has been telling me to use flex tape or flex seal on the hardtop to make it waterproof and just stick it together, and he knows who he is. We also work with him. His name's Matt. He's always joking around with us, but he sent us rush tape. I guess is this the off-brand of Flex Seal or Flex Tape? I don't know, but I might have to incorporate this somehow. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, nice little joke of this little rush tape thing. But I don't know, I've never seen it. I'll probably open it, see what it's like, but Matt, thank you for the rush tape. My Uncle Randy is gonna come over and he's gonna kind of help guide us along, figure out what the next steps are going to be on the hardtop. We have a good idea, but he knows more about this kind of thing than we do, so he's going to help us and really nail down what our next steps are going to be.
These corners, we tried to cut this back. It was further out, but we tried to cut it back to allow for some shaping, because we're going to have to build this up a little bit with.
Yeah. No, don't use filler. Use the fiberglass.
So put like a couple thick layers here, or
yeah, we should do a couple strips across there to bring that up.
Put 3 or 4.
Don't cover that up, because obviously it's going to take it up higher.
but just build it up.
Yeah, build it up. You much rather want that stuff that's more compatible with that, because this stuff doesn't flex anywhere near as much as the body filler. Body filler is nowhere near the density that you have here that you can do with this.
All right,
strength-wise.
So the bond was cracked first. Alrighty, so you guys just saw my uncle come help us, really give us the best plan to attack this hardtop.
Yeah, he was actually pretty impressed with the progress we made so far, which made us feel good, of course. You know, because we were kind of second guessing ourselves, but he said there's just a few areas we're going to reinforce, add a couple more layers, and then the hard part, which is really just a lot of sanding and he said the goal is you don't want to rely on the body filler and the Bondo to fill. He said structurally get it sound, and the Bondo is just more for fine tuning and shaping. So we're pretty excited.
Yeah.
On the sides, we've got a couple of spots that we're going to fill in, but man, I think it looks really good. The shape is what we're looking for.
Yep.
So
that about does it for this video. Wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. So I hope this suffices, and plus it's been a while since we posted, but we're gonna get working on this, and then Monday hopefully we'll have the Jeep done and the Jeep will be back, and I'll get to test it out with the gears because I'm ready to drive it and see how it drives with the gearing in it. See how fast. May have to race my dad in his JK or something. That'd be kind of fun. If you guys want to see my dad and I race, him and his JK.
Wait. From a dead stop or from a rolling stop?
From a dead stop. I'll beat you.
Oh, because you got gears? Oh, I see how.
Yeah.
All right.
I know I'll beat you from a dead stop. But yeah, I guess we'll do that. So in the next video, you'll see us race because my Jeep will have gears and his Jeep is stock and it has 37s. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, beadlockers.com. Use my code CRAFT10 or just click the link in the description and you'll get 10% off at checkout. But like, subscribe, do whatever you want. We'll see you guys in the next video.